Hi everyone, I'm Radhima, and this is the video about Intro to SQL and Databases. I am just gonna share my screen. Okay, so it's Intro to SQL and a little bit about databases. So first, what is a database and what is SQL? Database basically stores and manages structured application data. It maintains user, product, and transaction records. For example, when you log into your H&M account or maybe your Amazon account, the database stores your account details and saved addresses, past records, and these kind of things. What is SQL? SQL is a standard language used to interact with database. It's used to retrieve, update, and insert and delete data. So you specify the data, not the process. So for example, when you're logging in to your H&M account or your Amazon account, SQL is used to find your user record, verify credentials, and fetch your profile data. So this is how usually data is organized. It's organized into tables, and each table represents a specific entity. Um, let's learn about basic SQL queries. So for this, I can show you an online editor. So this has my database has one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight tables. Eight tables has each table has like specific entries about specific entities. So let's learn how do I fetch data from this. So the first command is select. Select is basically it helps us to retrieve data. So let's say I want to see all the data in the customers table. So I write select and the name. Uh, and since I want like all the data, I'm just gonna put an asterisk sign. That means it gives me the full data that exists in the table customer. So I'm gonna write select asterisk from and the name of the table. So it's customers. When I run this, it shows me all of the data from the customer table. Now, if I want specific things inside the customer table, for example, I want maybe just the country names from this table. So instead of asterisk here, now I can specify that I just want the country column. So I can write select country from customers and then run it. So just gonna show me the country names of the customer table. Let's specify it more. Maybe I want to see the countries, but I want to see only Mexico, like only specific country names. Let's say I want to see Mexico. So I say select country from customer where country equals to Mexico. It's like reading English. It's basically like that. So I'm selecting country from the customers table and I'm specifying where country is Mexico. So when I run the SQL, oh, it shows me an error. Oh, where country generate. I think it's like a site problem. I just used it too much. But let's try again. Where country is. Yes. So I have five records inside country, which are Mexico. So these are some basics of SQL. Um, a little about where are these things used. It powers most applications we use daily. It enables data-driven decisions. It's scalable, reliable, and has structure. So there are some real life examples like app checks if your email exists, app verifies your password, database returns your profile. These are some examples that we have in the day-to-day life. Thank you.